Hello and welcome back for another Quant price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Quant is holding above a key area of support at around the $97.3 mark, which is an area as long as we continue holding above it, there are chances that we can get a bounce back to the upside and get a break above the $100.3 mark, which is our next key area of resistance. And a break above that, we can expect higher prices to the area at around the $103 mark, where we have our next key areas of resistances. You can also see that last week Quant gave us this massive pump to the upper side, where you can see from the area at around the $96 mark, we saw a massive pump giving us a high at around the $117 mark. Then we started this massive breakdown to the lower side, where you can now see that the market is down by more than 15.07%. And this move has also continued to align with the Elliot structures that I have here on the Quant chart. And if I zoom out to give you my Elliot analysis, you can see that Quant gave us a bear market low at around the $40.1 mark. Then we started seeing higher prices in the 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $229 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started breaking down in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the $134.8 mark and the $80.5 mark. And it is within this target area that I've been expecting Quant to give us our low in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 2. And there are chances that we are still going to get one more leg down within this red target area here on the Quant chart to fully maximize the target area before we can expect our massive breakout to the upside in the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 3. And you can see that on the charts, I have been saying to you that we have been breaking down in this ABC corrective structure, where I have been terming this as the wave A, then a wave B, then I've been expecting one more leg down in the formation of that wave C. And what that means is that in case Quant continues to see further breakdown, and then at some point we lose our significant area of support at around the $97.3 mark, we can expect further breakdown in a move that could give us a reset of the low that we made at around the $94.3 mark. And in case we also lose that significant low, then Quant will be able to put in place one more leg down in the formation of this wave C, and then from that point we can start expecting to see a 5-wave move here on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure to confirm to us that the low for that second wave is in. And then from that point we can start expecting higher prices in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. We also need to have in mind that maybe Quant won't give us that one more leg down in the formation of that wave C, and maybe at some point it's going to give us a strong 5-wave structure to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure. In case we see such a move, then that will be enough confirmation that the low is in and the start of an impulse has started. And if that is the case, and assuming we are not going to get one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2, then I can give you my minimum target area for that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then drag the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618 and that is at around the $402 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. So those are the moves that I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Quant chart. Continue watching those significant areas of supports and also areas of resistances, because a break below significant areas of supports, that will be suggesting one more leg down in the formation of this wave C before we can start our impulsive move in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI, we are trading at around the 42 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.